Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Leahmwai and this is Easy Bakes with Leahmwai. First of all is to welcome all the new subscribers to my channel. You're the reason as to why we've made it to 400 subscribers, and it's a very big achievement for me, and it's giving me motivation to keep trying out new recipes and sharing them with you. And my hope is that you are going to have fun. You're going to also try the recipes at home. And also for the subscribers from day one, thank you so much for sticking with me until now. Yes, so this video, it's Friday's video. I'm going to be sharing with you a very simple recipe that you can try out at home, and you'll be done in like 10 minutes. Yeah, so I'm going to be making a mug cake, and you're going to use a microwave for this. You don't really need to have an oven for this. Yes, so the recipe will be about a carrot cake, of which if you've been here for quite some time, you know that it's my favorite cake. So you will first need to make sure that the mug you'll be using is microwave safe. Yes, but I've explained everything in the video, so make sure that you stay tuned and enjoy the video. If you find this video helpful, if you try the recipe and it works for you, make sure that you come back, like the video, comment, so that even when someone comes later, they can check the comments and know, yeah, someone has tried this recipe and it has worked. It will really support my channel. So without further ado, let's roll to the video. So guys, for the ingredients of our day, now we have the carrots themselves. I have my vegetable oil, milk, and I'm also using an egg yolk. I'm not using a whole egg, I'm using an egg yolk because we want to minimize the amount of wet ingredients that we have. Then I have sugar, I have baking powder, and my all-purpose flour. So the first thing is to first of all ensure that the mug that you're using is microwave safe. So, and to do that, you'll have to like pour water first into the mug, put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds and remove it. And when you feel it and you feel that the mug is not hot, or maybe the water inside is hotter than the mug, you will know that your mug is microwave safe. So this will be the mug that I'm going to be using, and so this will be like my small mixing bowl today. I already have the egg yolk, and then I don't have the measuring spoons yet, so I'm going to like use a standard normal spoon that we have in our household. I'll use the fork also. This will be like my whisk. In this case, we have to improvise everything. Then for the small measurements, like for the baking powder and everything, I'll be using this spoon. This is the one that you find in the drinking chocolate jar. So in case you have that in the house, you can improvise that. So for I'm going to start with my wet ingredients, and we have the egg yolk already. So for the sugar, I'll take like a 1 tablespoon of the normal. So whichever spoon you decide to use, make sure you're consistent with it. So I'll put it there. Then for the oil, I'll also take 1 tablespoon. And then for the milk, I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of milk. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I'll just take my fork and mix everything together. It's just like I'm making a cake, but now a smaller one. Now with that, I'm just going now to pour the dry ingredients, which is the flour and the baking powder. So I'm just going to use this same spoon. So let me just try to put it off first. So for the flour, this is how I'm measuring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then for the baking powder, So if you'll be using that same spoon, I'm not going to fill it, I'm just going to like put half. Make sure you mix everything together until you get a uniform paste. Before I forget, so I'm going to add cinnamon to this. If you've not yet checked my recipe on carrot cake, I'm going to tag it in the description box. Go check it out. I also used cinnamon in that recipe, so let me add the same amount of cinnamon that I used. What am I saying? For the cinnamon, you can put like maybe 3/4 of it. The only thing I don't have in this recipe is the grated ginger. And then I'll take like about a tablespoon of carrot, or maybe I can add more. Maybe I can just add a little bit more. Yes. After all, carrot is the main ingredient in this recipe. Not mind about that. So the mug, make sure you test if your mug is microwave safe. So it's ready. I'm now going to put this in the microwave for like 1 minute or 1 in 15 seconds. Then I'll show you the outcome afterwards. So here's our mixture. First of all, put 1 minute and 10 seconds. Yeah, so now the cake is ready. I think it's ready. I hope you can see it. The mug is also not as hot as you would expect it to be. But yeah, so I'm just going to wait for it to cool down. And then after that, I also have whipping cream that I had prepared a day before. So I'm going to like just smear some on top of it, then you can enjoy a cake. So in case you have a craving or you feel like you don't have the energy to make a normal size of cake, you can definitely enjoy a mugcake. Yes, so we're going to like let it cool for like 10 seconds or 10 minutes, then I'll be back. So as you can see, that's how the carrot cake looks like from inside, and it's so yummy. So you can enjoy this as you watch a movie, and you won't have used a lot of energy making a whole cake. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and share this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. You've been with me, Leah Mwai.